50 divided by 5 times 5 plus 5 is equal to what? Okay, so many students calculate this problem like this, that 5 plus 5 means 10, and 10 time 5 means what? 50, and 50 divided by 50 means 1. Okay, so many students calculate in this way and find their answer what? 1. But let me tell you, 1 is not the actual answer for this question. 1 is wrong answer. Okay, 1 is wrong answer. So what is the actual answer for this question? So just write same question, 50 divided by 5 time 5 plus 5 is equal to what? Okay, so what is the correct answer for this question? So for this type of question a rule is followed, and what the rule is? The rule is BODMAS. Okay, this is the rule. It means what? Board mass. It means board mass. Here B stands for bracket, O stands for what? Of, D means division, M is multiplication, M is what? Addition, and final S means what? Subtraction, right? So this is the rule for solving this type of question, right? And B means bracket, which gets first number priority for solving question. O means of, which gets second number priority for solving question. Similarly, division gets third number priority. This get 4 number priority, right? And here you also say this, addition gets 5th number or subtraction gets 6th number, right? So this is what priorities move. And if you see in this question, you can see here division sign is given and here bracket sign is given, right? So what should you calculate first, this part or this part, right? And if you see in this rule, you can see that bracket gets first number priority for solving question, right? And you can see D means division, which is written here, means it gets third number priority for solving question, right? So for this question we can say that we solve what first? We solve bracket part first, because bracket priorities is higher than what? Division sign. You can see in this rule, right? So we should calculate what first? We should calculate bracket part first, means this part first. So simply write 50 divided by 5, and bracket sign is multiplication sign. Simply give here multiplication sign, and 5 plus 5 means 10, right? And in next step what you can do, what should you solve, this part or this part? Again, if you see in this rule, you can see D means division, which gets third number priority for solving question, and M is multiplication, which gets 4 number priority for solving question, right? And from here you can say that what? Division priorities is higher than what? Multiplication sign, right? So we should calculate what first? We should calculate division part first, means this part first, right? So simply calculate 50 divided by 5 means what? 10. Simply write here 10, and 10 times 10, what we can get? We can get 100, right? So 100 is the actual answer for this question. And uh, you should calculate in this way to get your answer, right? But many students calculate in this way and find their answer what? 1. But 1 is wrong answer, right? To get the actual answer which is 100, you should calculate in this way, right? So this is what about today video. It is all about board mass. Now meet you in next videos, and many more questions like this I will put from next videos as well. So keep watching. Till then, thank you. Bye.